Greetings. This is a Seiko Premier Perpetual Calendar equipped with the 6A32 movement. This watch does not require manual date correction, not every other month, not even in February, and not even during a leap year. It automatically keeps track of the correct date. However, for this system to work properly, a correct calibration must be performed first. If you've tried setting this calendar and found it confusing, you're not alone. This movement is very logical, but only if you follow the exact sequence. In this video, I will show you the complete and correct procedure step by step without skipping anything. Before we begin, keep this in mind. All adjustments are made with the crown at the first click. Turning it adjusts the selected function, while each press of the button advances to the next step. Once you understand this, the rest becomes straightforward. Let's start by pulling the crown to the first click, then pressing and holding the button for 2 seconds or more. The seconds hand rotates rapidly and stops, and the date moves to its home position. Wait until the date has completely stopped moving. Now turn the crown to set the seconds hand exactly at 12 o'clock. This defines the reference position of the movement. Press the button once. The date dial moves back and forth, then stops. Set the date so that 1 is exactly centered in the window. Turn the crown quickly to move the date. As you approach the correct position, turn in the opposite direction to stop, then adjust slowly for precision. Achieving perfect alignment requires some care. Press the button again. The seconds hand moves to the 9 o'clock position. We are now in the date adjustment stage. Set the current date of the month. Let's move forward until we reach today's date, the 14th. Press the button again. The seconds hand moves to the 10 o'clock position. We are now in the month adjustment stage. The date display indicates the current month. Number 1 corresponds to January. Turn the crown to set the correct month. In this mode, the movement is limited between 1 and 12. You can move forward or backward within this range. We turn it back to set the month to April. As before, a quick turn in the opposite direction stops the movement. Fine adjust slowly if needed. Press the button again. The seconds hand moves to 11 and the date display shows 5. We are now in the year setting stage. The number corresponds to the last 2 digits of the year. 5 represents 2005. The disc ranges from 2005 to 2031. Proper year setting ensures correct February adjustment during leap years. Now turn the crown to set the year to 2026. A fast turn produces continuous movement of the disc. For years beyond 2031, you can search for a year within the 2005 to 2031 range that has the same calendar and use that year instead. Press the button once more. This restarts the entire setting cycle. At this point, you can safely push the crown back in. The watch now restarts, and the hands move forward to catch up to the correct time, compensating for the period during which the watch was stopped. Once the hands stop moving, the date disc advances to display the current date. As a final check, we verify whether the watch is set to morning, AM, or afternoon, PM. By advancing the time, we confirm that the date changes at midnight. This confirms that the time is correctly set. We can now return the hands and set the time to 2:57 p.m. Now the watch is fully set and ready to keep the correct date for the next years, until the battery runs flat. And after a new battery is installed, you can always come back to this video. If you found this useful, please leave a like. Thank you for watching.